Macca, nice pheasants. Let's put the butts in. Yeah. Okay. Check this one out, Macca. This is the belly of the pheasants, and it's got bird seeds in it. Do you know what it's going to be? Great bird feeder. Right. Now, hey. Yeah. That my mate. Tomorrow we're eating him. So well done, Macca. Got him here. Breast. Nice bit of breast there, a couple of legs. What we're going to do is red wine, red onions. Oh, look at a little mash or a big one. So, Nobby says, thank you, Macca. See you later.